This is my wife car, a 2012 Mazda 2. It is very reliable and perfect in every way, though we don't get to clean it often. The only thing that is missing from it is the audio system. It doesn't have a Bluetooth connection. Today I will install a Bluetooth module. First, I cut in half this 3.5mm jack to RCA cable. Then I revealed the wire inside. I am soldering the tips. I got the Bluetooth module from AliExpress for $1, and even with the new taxes by Trump on China products, it's still very cheap. Link in description. I prepared the wiring, which later going to connect to the 12 volts of power under the cigarette lighter in the car. To do this, I splice the positive and negative wires that go to the cigarette lighter and create a junction that will be the 12 volts for the Bluetooth board. After revealing the wire inside the isolation of the cable, I push the new wire underneath it. With the iron solder, I make sure it will stay connected. And when I'm done, I finish with isolation tape. Testing that we have power. Making a hole with a drill for the audio cable. I printed a small plastic to close the gap. The wires connected to the board like so. Then close everything back together. Find the Bluetooth device and pair it with the phone. And listen to music or podcast easily. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content.